Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can open other Windows applications from Microsoft Excel. This is just a clipping that I made, and so what I'm going to do is create a macro from VBA code to attach to this picture, and then that'll allow me to open up Word, and we can open up other applications as well, and we'll take a look at that. So the first thing I want to do is go to View Macros. We don't have any. This button won't let me create. I have to name something before I can create one. So I'm going to call it openwd for Open Word, create, and here I want to type in Application.ActivateMicrosoftApp. I can choose that, space, and then notice all the options that we have. Access, Fox Pro, Mail, PowerPoint, Project, Schedule Plus, Word. We actually have the option to open any of these up from Excel. So all you'd have to do is, let me choose one real quick. Really, all we'd have to do is copy this, paste it, change this name, and then change this section of the code, and then we could have a macro to open up any of these applications. So let me test this. I'm going to go back to Excel. I'm going to assign the macro we just created to this button. Choosing this. Select OK. So this should open up Word once I click it. And I believe if you have Word already open, I don't think it'll open another instance. I think it already... Okay, so yeah, Word is open now. Let's see what happens when you... I don't think it'll open another instance of Word. Yeah, it just takes you to Word when you click it. So another thing we can do, since we have this macro, and remember that you can create these for other applications. Now that we have this macro, you can actually add it up here to your tabs. So to do that, you can go to File, Options, Customize Ribbon, and let's just say, oh yeah, I want to open up the Developer tab because there's another way that we can open up Word. We can use the Command button. So let me just I'll put it in the Developer tab. So let me find, okay, so macros, this is the only macro that we have. I'm going to add this to the Developer tab. Okay. It's actually making me make a new group. So we'll call this group Windows Apps. I'll just give it an icon. Now I can add this. And you can rename them. I just want to give it a blue icon, and we'll call it, I'm just going to call it Word. So yeah, if you want to open Word from here, yeah. Oh, let me close this Word that we already have open, and we'll make sure it works. Yeah, so you can add links to open applications to your tabs up there, And another thing we could do is, if you'd rather have a command button than a picture, you can go to the Developer tab, Insert, and trace out a button. And then it wants you to attach a macro. We'll select this one and OK. And then we can rename it. But to get it to activate it, we have to click off of it and give it a click. There we go. So that's how you open up Word from Excel, and then a couple different options for you to be able to open that up. And one more thing. I want to go back. So you can easily replicate this to make other links to applications by copying and then, so we'll call this Open PowerPoint, and then the only thing we have to change is this last part. Here we go. Open PowerPoint. And that's it. So you could create a button for all those applications that you saw on the list there. I hope this video was helpful for you. Have a good day.